Hello, welcome you back to the English class. I hope all of you have read the lesson of Aruna Asufali, A Patriot, and I'll continue with the other portions of it. And in the previous class, we have seen she was called Grand Old Lady of Freedom Struggle, and she married a person who was very older to her, 20 years ahead. And then her first major involvement was salt satyagraha. And now we will move on to the next portion. In 1932, she was again arrested and put in Delhi jail, where she went on a hunger strike to protest against the callous treatment of political prisoners. Now she was again arrested because of her fiery talks, and in the jail they were not treated very well. Callous treatment, it's very cruel treatment for the political prisoners. See, for prisoners of different types have different kind of treatment, but for political prisoners they should not do all cruel treatment, but they were giving very cruel treatment. Her demands were conceded. That means they gave the whatever she demanded, it was given, but she was transferred to Ambala jail, where she was kept in solitary confinement. Because she was doing all this protest, she was shifted to Ambala jail, and there solitary confinement. Remember, children, only one person in one room, cell. It's called, that room is called cell. Solitary confinement. After her release, she stayed away from the movement for 10 years. So after this, 32 to 42, she just kept quiet. She did not bother to take part in the freedom struggle. Now, when something significant happened in 1942 now, all of you know this, no? What is the importance of this 1942? Yes, Quit India movement by Tilak. Lokmanya Tilak, remember, called for it. She attended the Bombay Congress session along with her husband, during which the Quit India resolution was passed on 8th August. Children, remember, 8th August it was passed. The committee had planned the hoisting of the tricolour at Gowali Tank Maidan, but the British got wind of the plan and arrested the top leaders, including Gandhiji, a few hours before the event. Now what happened? They wanted to, this Gowali Tank Maidan is in Mumbai. Then it was called Bombay, no? There they wanted to hoist the tricolour flag, which is the symbol of our independence. And the British House, somehow they got the wind, means they got the news of this planning of hoisting the tricolour, so arrested all the top leaders, including Gandhiji. What followed is the best described in her own words. He says, it is better to describe in her own words. What is that? She describes, my husband and I were not in the least surprised when, in the early hours of August 9th, the people knocked on the door of the flat where we were staying. So on the 9th, they came to their flat. When they announced Asif Ali Sahib arrest, I asked, what about me? Now, he was given the arrest warrant and she was not given, so she asked, there is no warrant for you, madam. I was told. She was told that there was no warrant for her. I persuaded the British sergeant, who had come in a taxi with a couple of policemen, to let me accompany them to the railway station to see of my husband. So she persuaded me, forced the British sergeant, means policeman, to accompany her husband to see him off. Dawn was about to break and there was a cordon around Victoria Terminus to keep crowds at bay. Now they were moving, no? It was dawn, daybreak, and Victoria Terminus, where Gawali Tank Maidan, and crowd was kept away by cordoning. That means making a military fort of the so that people could not go in. So referred as cordon. As I walked along the platform, I saw Maulana Azad sitting at a window in a compartment of the special train and stopped to talk to him. Now she saw in the railway station, remember, Maulana Azad sitting near the window, and it was a special train, so it was stopped to talk to him. As Congress President, he was to unfurl the tricolour at the public gathering at Gawali Tank Maidan at 8 a.m. I made up my mind on an impulse. I am going there. She says, I am going there. He says, it was the plan to unfurl, that means hoist, the tricolour at Gawali Tank Maidan. And she said that she was going to attend the function over there. This decision to stand in for Maulana Azad was the beginning of a chapter of heroism and unrest in the life of Aruna Asaf Ali. Her narrative proceeds. Now she says 10 years she did not take part, but now she said that she would go over there. So shows Maulana Azad's heroism and unrest in the life of Aruna Asaf Ali, because she was involved in the freedom struggle. So every day she had to face some kind of difficulties. Buhla Boy Desai's son, Dhiru Bhai, had come to the railway station, and he drove me in his car to the Maidan. How did she go? So Dhiru Bhai took her to the Maidan. The meeting was declared illegal, underline illegal, opposite legal. Under section 144, a white-skinned sergeant gave 2 minutes for the crowd to disperse. He announced that he would give 2 minutes, so that all the people should go away. Disperse means they should not stay there. I quickly scrambled and pulled the cord out to hoist the national flag. I quickly scrambled up to the dais, announced to the people the arrest of the leaders, and pulled the cord to hoist the national flag. What she did. He gave only 2 minutes. Within that minutes, she went up the dais or the podium, there where the hoisting flag was there. She pulled the cord is rope, and hoisted the flag. Before that, she told the people how the leaders have been arrested. Hardly had the flag been unfurled when the police lobbed tear shells into the crowd. Now, hardly means just it was unfurled. Then they lobbed the tear gas. The men and women ran helter-skelter with the tears streaming down their cheeks, because this tear gas makes them cry. So it was rolling down. They were just, whichever the direction they got, they ran. The experience of that morning made me decide that I would not again tamely enter jail by offering satyagraha. She decided that she would not tamely, meekly, remember, meekly enter jail offering satyagraha. I stop here. In the next class, we will continue what she does in her activities regarding freedom struggle. Children, follow it carefully. It is supplementary, no? You must remember the points properly. So that particular point you have to write. Okay, children, see you in the next class. Bye-bye.